The sister of a man poisoned with antifreeze asked a pointed question during the murder trial of Lynn Turner today. Lynn Turner was a 911 operator, so why didn't she call 911 in the hours before her husband's death? Turner faces the death penalty if convicted. Fox 5's Doug Richards has more from Whitfield County.
We were very close.
Linda Hardy had a ringside seat to the wedding and then rapidly failing marriage of her brother, Glenn Turner.
She kind of put a wedge between us.
She is Lynn Turner, who's already serving a life sentence for murdering her husband just 19 months after their wedding. Prosecutors say she killed Glenn Turner and then 6 years later killed Randy Thompson, in both cases to collect insurance proceeds. Both men were poisoned with antifreeze.
And that night is when he sat there on the couch and told me that things were not working out.
Hardy says in February 1995, Glenn Turner told her his marriage was ending. 2 weeks later, he was dead.
He had flipped out.
Hardy says Lynn Turner told her Glenn Turner hallucinated the night before his death.
It said that he thought he could fly and was going to jump off this cotton picking porch.
That she had called 911, getting some help?
No, she didn't, and God knows she was a 911 operator. You'd think she had sense enough to call somebody.
Hardy says she accompanied Lynn Turner to a funeral home 2 days after Glenn Turner died.
You wouldn't have thought that somebody, especially her husband, had just died. I would have had more emotion if my dang dog had just died.
Later in the trial, prosecutors will present evidence that Lynn Turner showed the same pattern of indifference before and after the death of Randy Thompson 6 years later. Turner is on trial now for Thompson's death, and her whole pattern of behavior was crucial to convicting her in her first murder trial 3 years ago. In Dalton, Doug Richards, Fox 5 News.